Hi, Jayashree. I can't hear you. Unmute. Can you unmute yourself?
Yeah. Hi.
Hi, dear. Good afternoon. Good to see you again.
Same here.
Still more people to come.
Yeah. You can
Today, your
see.
voice is a little soft. Can't hear you properly. Check.
Okay, probably my volume is little
Now,
low.
now, fine.
Okay.
Say something. I'll able to know.
Can you hear me now?
Ha, yeah.
Audible? Okay. Good to see you. Fresh you.
Yes, good to see you too. And your that doodling was, my God, Zentangle, no?
Yeah, mandala art.
Mandala art. Wow.
Somebody else also, I think, sent
Ha,
in
ha, ha, ha. I
who
don't
is
know.
lovely me. I don't know who's this lovely me, but that was also remarkable. Very nice.
Beautiful. It's a great talent, your talent.
We all have some or the other talent. Thank you.
So we'll wait for some more time.
Yes, definitely.
It's just 3 right now.
Well,
Yes, Madhuri. Hi.
how are you?
Good. Thank you. How are you?
Fine, I got the book finally.
Oh, wow. Another one who got the book. Wonderful.
And
Nice.
Devanshi has made this bookmark also.
Oh,
So pretty.
1 second.
wow. Oh, God. So cute.
Very nice. What's written on it? Every action?
Every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Believe in magic.
Aha, law of attraction.
Believe in magic. That's really nice. Very nice.
Very nice. That means she is totally into it. Okay, good. Good to hear that.
Her exams got over today only. After the exams, she made this first.
Wow.
क्या बात है?
It's like therapy, you know, people who enjoy art and all.
Yeah.
Hi, sweetie.
Is
खाते
your
ही
son-
रहा कर स्वीटी तो कुछ ना कुछ.
Hi, Payal. How are you?
Hi, Priyanka. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
सब लोग धीरे धीरे आ रहे हैं.
Hi, everyone.
Hi,
Hi.
Shraddha.
Madhuri, is your son joining in the evening?
Yeah, I told him. Yeah, I have joined the group.
Okay, good.
I will be with him today. Tomorrow is some problem because I'm traveling tomorrow in the
Okay.
night. So might be I will be in the station that time.
Okay. So your daughter can help him, no?
Yeah, both are anti.
Sibling में सब में होता है. It's okay.
हाँ.
8.
Actually, your drawing was very nice.
Thank you, Madhuri. Does
Welcome.
anyone know who is this lovely me? Even she drew. It was pretty well. Very well drawn.
It's me, darling.
Who's this rich me, darling?
Shweta.
Who's this darling? Shweta, can we see your face? Because all we can see is just Shweta J. Hi, J. That was really, Shweta, that was really nice. Brilliant it was.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
But why did you write isolation?
I said no, I'm quarantined.
Acha, you that was Bhansali, no? Or you were quarantined? Also?
Yeah, I'm Shweta Bansali only.
Okay. Here it's showing Shweta J.
Yes,
Yeah.
it's the same thing. Yeah,
Okay, how are you now?
I'm better today.
You sound better. You look better. Wow, good that you recovered.
Yes. आज फीवर 99 ही रह रहा है, वो ठीक हो जाएगा अब.
Absolutely. वैसे भी
Yeah.
इस सेशन में आ गए तो ऐसे भी बहुत जल्दी ठीक हो जाओगे.
True. It gives me all the positive vibes.
Absolutely, we are here to, spread positivity only. So So let's wait for some more people to join.
They are very sweet
Hi
people.
रिंकू. हाँ वो धीरे धीरे सबका जिसका ट्रू कॉलिंग होता है ना दे स्टे बैक, और जो थोड़ा सा लेट बैक हो जाता है वो फिर से करना पड़ेगा ये एक्सरसाइज. But
The
this
ones
is
who
how
are
you can
excited and looking forward to it, I guess they are always on time or a little bit before time.
Priyanka is the first one to log in always.
No. Actually, my kids
Divya.
have a class during this time, so
Hi,
I make sure that they don't
Hi.
have any other device open.
Okay. Hi Rinku, good afternoon.
Hi.
Hi.
Good afternoon. Hi.
There is Vandana.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi. Sorry, I'm late.
No, you're not late. It's okay. 3:35 तक मैं बोलती
Okay.
हूँ. But by
हाँ, तुम
3:05
नहीं थी ना तो हम लोग पीछे से गपशप कर रहे थे. So good
you
one,
missed
Okay.
that. There is Prathna. Prathna is having, I think, network issue. Prathna.
I think I'm having.
Okay.
I can hear you, but
All right. Good.
okay. We started.
No, we haven't started yet.
Yes. Okay.
We just.
प्रार्थना जी बिना प्रार्थना के कैसे चालू करेंगे आप बताएं.
Thank you so much.
Shraddha se.
So let's begin with the prayer.
In the end, we do pay gratitude, but initially सबने कल का exercise assignment किया, photograph वाला. Has everyone done?
I could
Yes,
not do
we
it.
did.
And those who missed also, please do it today. But make sure you do it. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज का miss हो गया तो I cannot do it tomorrow. You can do it today, you can do it tomorrow, day after, but do it. As long as you do it, it's fine. And how were the feelings? Any sharing? 5 सबके qualities, मतलब what you like, could you find? अब जब बेस्ट है तो जिससे बॉन्ड होता है उसके तो 5 क्यों 10 भी मिल जाना चाहिए.
हाँ वो नॉन स्टॉप पोरिंग हो रहा था एक्चुअली. मेरा तो ऐसा हो रहा था, हम सोचे 5 ही लिखना है, चलो कोई बात नहीं कल और लिख देंगे. और फिर there were more people added, like अच्छा अभी तो 3 हुआ है, अभी और ऐड हो जाएंगे इसके अंदर में. It was like this. For me it was like this.
हाँ तो
So many people to pay to pay gratitude to, basically.
Absolutely. और नहीं ये 3 close friends को मतलब friends और relatives या whatever 3 close bonded relationship को लेना है. And later on we'll have a chapter where we will heal the relationship जिसके साथ आपका नहीं है अच्छा. Then that exercise is like later on. अभी हम लोग जो close हैं उनको gratitude देंगे so that हम लोग का bonding और थोड़ा strong हो जाए. And next day you can take another 3 if you wish to. If you have more than 3. वो भी कर सकते हैं. And it's like today exercise is like done today. It is not necessary that ये पूरे month में आपको हर एक exercise add on करना जाना है. The only 2 exercise like the count your blessings and the magic rock one. This you have to practice daily. Rest जैसे आज का exercise आज के लिए है, कल का chapter का कल के लिए है. So don't think कि pile up हो रहा है मेरा पास. If you don't do it today, then it will pile up. Obviously you'll have to do it tomorrow. So better
Is it
to
ये जो photographs वाला था, we don't have to repeat it today?
If you wish, you can, but ऐसा नहीं है कि आपको डेली करते रहना है एक ही जन के साथ. If you have another 3 person you wish to, a bond को strong करना
Okay,
है.
one more thing, Payal. Like suppose these 3 close people, we wrote 5 blessings, 5 blessings, and then like suppose today also, suppose I want to. So do I need to write another 5 blessings or
हाँ, जो
continue
अगर
with the
आप
same
2
blessings or
different,
just thank you?
so 2 same people or 2 different people?
Say same people.
Same, then you write 5 again. If you can find
Okay.
again, you want to
Different,
repeat,
yeah,
but
yeah.
you write 5 and you pay gratitude.
All right. And if they are different people, of course you have to write 5. And if
सबका
suppose
अलग अलग होता
the
है.
same people, if I want to continue thank, then it is not necessary for me to write, keep on
Read.
writing 5 more. I can always say thank you.
हाँ, just not thank you. आप पूरा gratitude को पढ़ोगे क्योंकि feeling
हाँ
तभी
जी.
आएगी जब आप बोलोगे. खाली
right,
thank you से वो feeling नहीं आएगा. Why are you
Thank you to this person, why, and give the reason, right?
You read the entire your this
Yes,
gratitude.
yes.
Feeling के साथ तभी आएगा. Otherwise नहीं आएगा. So that is how it should be. 12. Okay, now I think we should. Any more sharing? बाकी सबका सबने किया. सब.
I could not.
PT नहीं की? Yes.
Yeah. This is
Very softly, Pratna.
Yeah, I could not do yesterday. I'll do it today.
हाँ, तो आज कर लेना. It's okay. Even if you could not do it, it is okay. But do it today. Make sure that you do it. क्योंकि वो practice बीच में मैं बोली ना एक तो break लग जाएगा. Then again you have to go 3 chapters back.
Yeah,
and
it will be piled up.
Energy has started flowing. You know, it's understand it's like energy, flow of energy. तो वो भी बीच में break लग गया ना. It has to be a continuous effort. तभी वो दिखेंगे. वो उसने starting में बोला था ना, if you practice little, you will see the magic little only. And if you practice more, you will see more magic. और अगर accelerate करना है, then do it multiple times. और जल्दी हो.
So Pratna, you have to be greedy.
Yes, I'll try to be.
Okay. तो किसी का कोई query वगैरह है? We'll take it at the end. Let's start the
Start.
chapter. हाँ. So today's chapter is about magical health. आजकल बहुत health के issues सबको हो रहे हैं. So let's see. So who would like to read today?
I'll read.
Who is this?
Shweta.
Anu? Shweta. All right. Okay, Shweta. Let's start. Day 4, magical health. Why is it not? हाँ. Everyone mute yourself. Only Shweta will keep herself unmuted. हाँ. Yes, Shweta, start.
Magical health. The greatest wealth is health. Health is the most precious thing in life, and yet, more than anything else, we can take our health for granted. For many of us, the only time we think of our health is when we lose it. Then the realization hits us. Without our health, we have nothing.
Yeah, please pause. So the greatest wealth is health. ये तो हम लोग कब से आजकल सुनते आ रहे हैं. Health is wealth. Health is wealth. You know, because and हम लोग realize तभी करते हैं when we lose it. When we start having problems, तब हम लोग सबसे बातें करते हैं. You know, have you ever wondered? हम लोग फोन करके जब problem होता है health का सबसे discuss करते हैं. मुझे यहाँ पेन है, ये issue है. लेकिन जब health हम लोग की अच्छी होती है, तब तो वो discuss नहीं करते हैं. कभी किसी को फोन करके बोलते हैं मेरा हार्ट तो बड़ा अच्छा चल रहा है, मेरे पैर में तो कोई पेन नहीं है. We never discuss that. लेकिन जब कुछ होता है प्रॉब्लम तब हम लोग डिस्कस करते हैं. तो जब हम लोग की अच्छी थी हेल्थ तो कभी हम लोग ने ग्रेटिट्यूड दिया अपने हेल्थ को? नेवर वी केयर्ड फॉर इट. और जब बातें जितनी हम लोग करते हैं अपने हेल्थ को लेके नेगेटिव बीमारियों की, वी अट्रैक्ट. यू नो व्हाट वी गिव वी गेट. तो जितने हम लोग ये सब बातें करेंगे विल अट्रैक्ट दैट ओनली. एंड इट इज वेल्थ इन द सेंस if health is not there, we won't be able to enjoy any pleasure. आपके पास जितना भी रुपया हो, will you, इतनी ड्रीम लिस्ट आप लोग ने बनाई है. अगर कोई बोलेगा कि मैं आपको 100 करोड़ देता हूँ, आप अपने ये वाले ड्रीम्स वाले जो है मुझे दे दीजिए, would you like to trade? Yes, no, no, I'm sure. So no, you won't trade for it even for 100 crores. क्योंकि अगर हेल्थ ही नहीं होगा तो हम लोग वैसे भी क्या एंजॉय करेंगे. नो वैल्यू ऑफ योर ड्रीम्स ऑल्सो. वो ड्रीम्स भी हम लोग पूरे नहीं कर पाएंगे अगर हेल्थ ही नहीं होगा. So I think amongst all, आजकल wealth से भी ज़्यादा I think health is very much important. We won't be able to enjoy our 100 crores also even if our health is not on our side. So that's how important our health is. Yes, Shweta, please continue.
There's an Italian proverb that speaks the truth about health for many of us. He who enjoys good health is rich, though he knows it not. While we rarely think of our health when we are well, you will have felt the truth of those words even when you had something minor like a cold or the flu, and you were bedridden.
Yeah, please.
When you're not.
Yes, please pause. So यहाँ पे जिस line this proverb says, he who enjoys good health is rich, though he knows it not. मतलब जब हम लोग के पास अच्छी हेल्थ होती है, हम लोग enjoy करते हैं और हम लोग को उसके बारे में कोई वैल्यू ही नहीं है. हम लोग को मालूम ही नहीं होता कि हम लोग उस चीज को enjoy कर रहे हैं. We are able to see, we are able to feel, touch. अच्छा है, मतलब vision, everything is fine. तब उसकी वैल्यू नहीं करते हैं. We are enjoying that and we don't even know that we are enjoying because of our good health. लेकिन जब हम लोग की हेल्थ खराब होती है, अगर हम लोग की थोड़ी सी सर्दी भी लग जाती है, nose is blocked, then also we start complaining, I can't smell, I can't smell, I can't smell. When you could smell, did we ever pay gratitude at that time? Never. So here it's written like a cold or a flu and you were bedridden. Then only we realize the importance of health. Yes, continue, Shweta.
Like right now, everybody is asking me, smell hai, taste hai, smell hai, taste hai.
Exactly. अभी समझ नहीं आ रहा है how important it is.
True. When you're not well, all you want is to feel better and nothing else matters other than having your health back again. Health is a gift of life. It is something you receive and continue to receive each day. In addition to everything else we do to be healthy, we have to be grateful for our health to continue to receive more health. Remember, whoever has gratitude for health will be given more and he or she will have an abundance. Whoever does not have gratitude for health, even what he or she has will be taken from him or her.
So those who have read earlier chapters also in the beginning also, these lines are very important. Like throughout every chapter, this will be there. हम लोग हेल्थ के लिए ग्रेटिट्यूड कब दिए, अगर हम लोग हेल्थ को ग्रेटिट्यूड देंगे तो वी विल get more of it in abundance. If we don't pay gratitude to our health, whatever we have will be also taken away. मतलब तब वो health हम लोग का deteriorate होता जाएगा if we do not pay gratitude to our health. So we need to start paying gratitude to our health right now.
You may know of people who choose a healthy lifestyle and yet still lost their health. Giving thanks in return for the health you are receiving is vital. When you are grateful for your health, you will not only maintain your current health, at the same time, you will set the magic into motion to increase the flow of health to you. You will also begin to see the improvements to your health happen right away. Little aches and pains, moles, scars, or marks will start to magically disappear, and you will notice your energy, vitality, and happiness increase markedly.
Yes, please.
I'll-
हाँ, तो हम लोग यू मे नो ऑफ पीपल, कितने लोग ऐसे हैं ना कि मैं तो डाइट पे हूँ, मैं तो डाइटिंग भी कर रही हूँ, एक्सरसाइज भी कर रही हूँ, देन ऑल्सो नथिंग इज हैपनिंग. व्हाई दिस नथिंग इज हैपनिंग? बिकॉज वी हैव नेवर गिवन ग्रेटिट्यूड, नहीं दे रहे हैं साथ में हम लोग. अगर that's how important it is. You know, when you are grateful for your health, you will not only maintain your current health, at the same time you will set the magic into motion to increase the flow of health. अगर हम लोग grateful रहते हैं तो जो करंट हेल्थ है वो भी हम लोग का और बेटर ही होगा. For example, I have cured I have this gut issue. I had rather my gut issue. I don't know how. I just started paying gratitude to my gut. मेरी acidity वाली issue from past 2 months, it's not there anymore, and without any medicine. Otherwise, it was very regular. It was a regular affair, but I have cured of my acidity. And today morning only, I was like, every morning my weight used to show like 61. कब ये 50 में आएगा पता नहीं मुझे, और आज morning में it was 59. And trust me, I'm not doing any exercise or any dieting, nothing, just have started paying gratitude. So अब मेरा faith और भी इसमें strong हो रहा है because I'm seeing the result in front of me. It's not I'm faking it. You know, after 3 months of practice, it's right there in front of me.
पायल,
हाँ.
वेट लॉस के लिए किसको ग्रेटिट्यूड देना होगा?
You have to start writing like वो हम लोग बाद में करेंगे, बाद में भी आएगा. Let you know. Let's continue with the chapter.
उसको स्पेसिफिकली बता देना. हाँ.
Okay. Okay. Yes, continue, Shweta.
As you will learn in a later practice, through the daily practice of gratitude for your health, you can improve your eyesight, hearing, and all of your senses, along with every function in your entire body. And all of it happens like magic. Gratitude is a vaccine, an antitoxin, and an antiseptic.
Yeah, by John Henry Joy,
Yeah, by
Presbyterian
John
preacher
Henry
and
Joy.
writer. या तो ग्रेटिट्यूड एक वैक्सीन की तरह है कि कब हम लोग उससे मतलब वो एक वैक्सीन लगेगी और हम लोग ठीक हो जाएंगे, जस्ट लाइक इट हैपेंस, यू नो, लाइक मैजिक. पता ही नहीं चलेगा. ट्रस्ट मी, आई एम द मोस्ट लेजिएस्ट पर्सन. आई वाज रादर, अभी भी हूँ, लेकिन ये तो मैजिकली हुआ है बिकॉज मेरा तो बिना एक्सरसाइज के, बिना डाइटिंग के हो जाए तो नथिंग लाइक है. But of course, थोड़ा बहुत तो कुछ करना ही पड़ता है. With effort, the gratitude has to go parallel, you know. अगर 50% जो effort है, तो 50% क्यों नहीं हो रहा है? Because of lack of gratitude in your life. So start paying gratitude, and magically, you know, you can see the results. Did I miss? Gratitude is a vaccine. Yeah.
इसके बाद वाला, हाँ. The degree that you are grateful for your health is the exact degree that your health will magically increase. And the degree that you are not grateful is the exact degree that your health will decrease. Living with decreased amount of health means your energy, vitality, immune system, clarity of thought, and every other function of your body and mind is weakened.
So the more
Being
you give
grateful for-
gratitude, the more you give gratitude, the more faster result you will see. The less gratitude, the less, you know, result you will see. It's like what you give, you get back. Yes, please.
Being grateful for your health ensures that you will continue to receive more health to be grateful for. And at the same time, it eliminates stress and tension in your body and mind. Scientific research studies have shown that stress and tension are at the root of many diseases. Studies have also revealed that people who practice gratitude heal faster and are likely to live 7 years longer.
Yeah, please.
You
hold.
can
So this is how important gratitude. Scientifically, it has been proven. You know, हम लोग ऐसे भी बोलते हैं, stress की वजह से BP आ गया, diabetes आ गया. We say, so see, stress and gratitude doesn't go together. You know, it doesn't go. Stress है, दोनों opposite है, मतलब एकदम अलग है. They will never go. They don't stay together. एक बार में एक ही रह सकता है. या तो stress रहेगा या gratitude रहेगा. So we have to decide. Either you take stress or you start paying gratitude. We have to decide on that. Or lack of energy means lack of gratitude. Energy is very important. इसीलिए बोलते हैं walk करिए, because energy flow होता है all over your body. You know, it accelerates everything. If you're morning में if you're energetic, that throughout the day that gratitude and energy that flows और एक जगह concentrate करता है, so you can see the result faster. That's how important. See, studies have revealed that people who practice gratitude heal faster and are likely to live 7 years longer. That's how important gratitude is. And it has been scientifically, it has been proven.
You can see in the state of your health right now how grateful you have been. You should feel amazing every day. If you feel heavy and life feels like a real effort to get through, or if you don't feel younger than your age, then you are living with decreased health. One of the major causes of this loss of vitality is a lack of gratitude. All of that is about to change, though, because you are going to use gratitude's magical power for the health of your body.
हाँ, अब कितने लोग ऐसे हैं जिनका फेस देखिए हमेशा ग्लो करता है, they look younger than their age. You know, कहीं ना कहीं उन लोग gratitude अपने हेल्थ को देते हैं, उतना उसका ध्यान भी रखते हैं, and they pay gratitude and they do something for their health. Only sitting and cribbing about health will only, you know, make your health go deteriorate. Our life example is Jayashree, always glow. Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yes, Shweta, continue.
The magical health practice begins with reading through the following paragraphs about the health of your body. After you read each italicized line of a particular part of your body, close your eyes and mentally repeat the italicized line, feeling as grateful as you can for that part of your body. Remember that when you think about why you are grateful, it will help you feel gratitude more deeply. And the deeper
you feel it.
And the deeper you feel it, the faster you will feel and see the amazing results in your body. Think about your legs and feet. They are your main form of transportation in your life. Think about all the things you use your legs for, like balancing, standing up, sitting down, exercising, dancing, climbing steps, driving a car, and most of all, the miracle of walking. Your legs and feet allow you to walk around your home, walk to the bathroom, go to the kitchen to get a drink, and walk to your car. Your legs and feet allow you to walk around stores, down the streets, through an airport, and along the beach. The ability to walk gives us freedom to enjoy life. Say thank you for my legs and feet and really mean it. Think about your arms and hands and how many things you pick up and hold in one day. Your hands are the major tools of your life, and they are in non-stop use all day long, every day. Your hands allow you to write, eat a meal, use a phone or computer, shower, get dressed, use the bathroom, pick up things and hold them, and do everything for yourself. Without the use of your hands, you would be dependent on other people to do things for you. Say thank you for my arms, hands, and fingers.
So each part of our body, the writer is asking to pay gratitude and how important they are. Let's read through the entire chapter, then we will do some small exercise for each part of our body. Not that way, getting up and doing exercise, it's like visualization, gratitude, paying gratitude to each part of our body.
Think about your amazing senses. Your sense of taste gives you so much pleasure multiple times throughout the day as you eat and drink. You know from losing your sense of taste through a cold that the joy of eating and drinking disappears without being able to taste food or drinks. Say thank you for my amazing sense of taste. Your sense of smell enables you to experience the beautiful fragrances of life, flowers, perfumes, clean sheets, dinner as it's cooking, a fire burning on a winter's night, the air on a summer's day, freshly cut grass, the smell of the earth after rain. Say thank you for my wonderful sense of smell. If you didn't have a sense of touch, you would never know hot from cold, soft from sharp, or smooth from rough. You would never be able to feel objects or physically express love or receive it. Your sense of touch allows you to touch your loved ones with a reassuring hug, and to feel the touch of a hand from one human being to another is one of the most precious things in life. Say thank you for my precious sense of touch.
Just imagine how important the touch is. हम लोग किसी को hug कर रहे हैं, किसी के साथ handshake कर रहे हैं. We won't be able to, हम लोग उनको gratitude अभी नहीं दिया. अगर ये सब नहीं होते, तो how we would be, So thank you for my precious sense of touch. कि हम लोग कर पा रहे हैं, feel कर पा रहे हैं. How अभी सोचने पे लग रहा है कितना miraculous है ये सब. लेकिन हम लोग ने कभी ध्यान ही नहीं दिया. Never paid gratitude to it. Yes, continue, Shweta.
Think about the miracle of your eyes, which enable you to see the faces of your loved ones and friends, read printed books, newspapers, and emails, watch television, see the beauty of nature, and most importantly, see your way through life. Just put a blindfold on for an hour and try to do what you normally do, and you will appreciate your eyes. Say thank you for my eyes that enable me to see everything. Think about your ears, which enable you to hear your own voice and other people's voices so you can talk to people. Without ears and your sense of hearing, you could not use a phone, hear music, listen to the radio, hear your loved ones talk, or hear any of the sounds of the world around you. Say thank you for my hearing. And to use any of your senses would be impossible without your brain, which processes over 1 million messages a second through all.
Of your senses.
A second through all of your senses. It is actually your brain that enables you to sense and experience life, and there is no computer technology in the world that can duplicate it. Say thank you for my brain and my beautiful mind.
So here the author is asking us to pay gratitude to our brain. How important हम लोग जो सोच रहे हैं, जो हम लोग के thoughts है, हम लोग सामने किसी को present कर रहे हैं, कंप्यूटर पे इतने काम कर रहे हैं, पढ़ पा रहे हैं, we are sending the message across. Thank you our brain. For what if it would not have functioned the way it is functioning right now? We would have been at loss. स्पेशली अभी इस क्वारंटीन में तो एवरीथिंग लाइक फोन पे टेक्नोलॉजी ऑल एवरीथिंग, ये जूम सेशन जो हो रहा है कैसे होता सब, कैसे कनेक्ट
And who
करता है.
else? And who else can know it better? To be very honest, today morning gratitude list में यही था, क्योंकि सब बार बार पूछ रहे हैं smell और taste. And because I'm quarantined and able to complete my craft yesterday, तो ऐसे ही लग रहा था. I thanked my sense of taste and my this smell वाला taste and my capability to draw and write, so that I'm not getting bored and unable to do something or the other.
अब इम्पोर्टेंस हम लोग को ब्रेक डाउन के बाद ही समझ में आता है ना, प्रॉब्लम यही है, पहले कभी देते ही नहीं है ग्रेटिट्यूड. So nice, Shweta. Yeah, continue, Shweta.
Think about the trillions of cells working unceasingly 24/7 for your health, body, and life. Say thank you, cells. Think about your life-sustaining organs, which are continuously filtering, cleaning, and renewing everything in your body. And think about the fact that they do all their work automatically without you even having to think about it. Say thank you, organs, for working perfectly. But more miraculously than any sense, system, function, or other organ in our body is the organ of our heart. Your heart governs the life of every other organ, because it is your heart that keeps the life flowing to every system in your body. Say thank you for my strong and healthy heart. Next, take a piece of paper or a card and write on it in big bold letters: the gift of health is keeping me alive.
Yeah, so today we'll be making a card. Make a card better, because writing on paper, फिर इधर उधर रख देंगे वो tear हो जाएगा, no point. So thick कोई जैसे Fabriano का thick वाला or a Mount board, whatever. You need to write the gift of health is keeping me alive, and you can place it at a place where we see it often. And read it as many times like read कर सकते हो. मैंने तो जैसे चिपका लिया है अपने wall पे. So you can place it wherever you can see often.
Take the card with you today and put it in a place where you know you will see it often. If you work at a desk, you can put it right in front of you. If you are a driver, put it in a place in your car or truck where you will see it often. If you are at home, most of the time, you can put it where you wash your hands or near your phone. Choose a place where you know you will see the words you have written often. Today, on at least 4 separate occasions,
when you see the words,
wait, my page got lost. Hello.
हाँ,
Yeah. When you see the words read them very slowly, one word at a time, and feel as grateful as you can for the gift of health. Being grateful for your health is essential to keep your health, but also to guarantee that it continues to get better with increasing energy and zest for life. If gratitude were used in conjunction with conventional medical treatments, we would see a health revolution and recovery rates and miracles like we have never seen before.
So in this last paragraph, it says कि अगर हम लोग मेडिसिन जो ले रहे हैं आप लेते रहिए, बट उसके साथ if we practice gratitude, if we start giving gratitude to that particular area where you need it, तो हम लोग का जो हेल्थ के रिलेटेड जो स्फीयर है, हेल्थ स्फीयर में you can see revolution, miraculous change you can see. इतनी जल्दी हील होता है. Today only I think in the group I just heard someone was sharing कि एक person ने अपना vision ठीक कर लिया only through gratitude. And I know there's one lady from Delhi called Prachi Agarwal. She's starting her own session also. I think 10 years back, she healed herself from cancer. She healed herself from cancer through this magic book. And she's a die-hard fan of Rhonda Byrne. And she went all the way to US and she met also Rhonda Byrne to pay her gratitude to her. And she's living a magical life right now. And she considers herself to be, I'm blessed and I'm God's child. Itni positive, and she pays gratitude to each and every part of her body. And this is miracle only. So she's really inspiring. So now we will read the magic practice for health, which we need to do today. Yes, Shweta?
Magic practice number 4, magic health. Repeat steps 1 to 3 magic practice number 1. Count your blessings. Make a list of 10 blessings. Write why you are grateful. Reread your list. Say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel gratitude for each one. On a piece of paper or card, write the words. Gift of health is keeping alive.
Keeping
Place the
me
piece
alive.
of paper, keeping me alive, with your written words where you know you will see it often today. On at least 4 occasions, read the words very slowly and feel as grateful as you can for the precious gift of life. Just
Gift of
before
health.
you go to sleep tonight, gift of health.
हाँ.
Just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words. Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day.
So the first and the last practice are the same. जो हम लोग, you have to write 10 gratitude, 10 blessings, and the last one is a rock one. Apart from that, today we have to make this card where we have to write the gift of health is keeping me alive, and we have to pay gratitude to the whole of our body parts, all the parts of the body. And you have to see at least 4 occasions. On 4 occasions, read the words very slowly and feel as grateful as you can for the precious gift of health. So this is the only magical practice today. And अभी हम लोग एक तो we will pay gratitude right now, and yeah, बाद में भी you will come to know how to pay gratitude to all the parts of your body. So I want everyone, even if you are lying down, you can please stand. You don't have to stand. You just sit straight. मतलब बैक स्ट्रेट होना चाहिए. सिट बैक स्ट्रेट, हैंड्स फ्री. अगर मोबाइल है तो कहीं पे प्लेस कर दीजिए. डू नॉट होल्ड इट इन योर हैंड. आईज क्लोज. जस्ट रिलैक्स. क्लोज योर आईज, सिट स्ट्रेट, बैक स्ट्रेट. अपने माइंड को एकदम फ्री कर दीजिए ऑफ एनीथिंग which is going on in your mind. Take a deep breath. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in again. Breathe out again. Breathe in. Breathe out. Keep your eyes closed. अपना ध्यान अपने पैरों की तरफ लेकर जाइए. Take your concentration to your feet. Think of your legs, sole of your feet, आपके calves, आपके thighs, आपके knees. अपने right leg के बारे में सोचिए. Concentrate on your left leg. Wow. Thank you, my beautiful legs. आपके थ्रू मैं चल पा रही हूँ, मैं दौड़ पा रही हूँ, मैं जहां मन वहां चल पा रही हूँ. वाओ. मैं बीच पे खड़े होके पानी को महसूस कर पा रही हूँ. I can dance. I can do my exercise. I can do my yoga. मैं शॉपिंग पे चल के जा रही हूँ, मैं गाड़ी खुद चला पा रही हूँ. वाओ. Thank you so much, my legs. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. अब अपना ध्यान अपने हाथों के ऊपर लेकर जाइए. Think of your hands. Think of your fingers. आपके arms. Thank you, my hands. आपके हेल्प से मैं सब कुछ उठा पा रही हूँ, मैं हाथों से लिख पा रही हूँ, मैं अपनी फेवरेट पेंटिंग कर पा रही हूँ, मैं अपने हाथों से I can use my knife and cut my favorite fruit. मैं खा पा रही हूँ. मैं कितना कुछ कर पा रही हूँ अपने हाथों से. मैं फोन यूज कर पा रही हूँ, फोन पकड़ के बात कर पा रही हूँ अपने फेवरेट लोगों से. थैंक यू माय हैंड्स, थैंक यू माय फिंगर्स, थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. Think of your taste buds. Wow. Might think of your favorite food, cakes, pastries, ice creams, Chinese. मैं सब टेस्ट कर पा रही हूँ. I am able to enjoy them, relish them. Thank you, my taste bud. I can also enjoy my favorite drink. Wow. Thank you, my taste bud. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Think of your sense of smell. Wow, I can smell my favorite perfume. The aroma of flowers all around me. मेरे favorite food की smell. I can't stop myself. Thank you for being able to feel the things around me, to smell the things around me. Thank you. Thank you, my smell. Thank you so much. Thank you to be able to feel things around me. Thank you to the sense of touch. I can hug my child. I can hug my family, my friends. I can feel the warmth I get. Wow. मैं महसूस कर पा रही हूँ ठंडा है कि गर्म है, sour है कि sweet है. The taste of the sweet pastries, the taste of sour grapes maybe. Wow. Thank you. Thank you to the sense of touch. Thank you, my eyes. अपना ध्यान अपने आंखों की तरफ लेके जाइए. Thank you, my eyes through which I can see my loved ones, my family. I can read newspapers. I can watch my favorite TV serial. I can watch movies. I can see nature's beauty, the sky, the sunrise, the sunset. Wow. I can enjoy the beauty of nature through my eyes. अगर मैं एक दिन के लिए अपनी आंखों पे पट्टी बांध लूं, मैं क्या करूंगी? I won't be able to see many beautiful things around me. Thank you, my eyes. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Think about your ears. I'm able to hear my family's voice. वो बच्चों की खिलखिलाहट, वो अपनी पेरेंट्स से करना, शेयर करना. Wow. Wow. Thank you, my ears. क्या होता अगर मैं सुन नहीं सकती? मैं टीवी में सब कुछ सुन पा रही हूँ. मैं बाहर बर्ड्स की चर्पिंग सुन पा रही हूँ. लोगों से बातें सुन पा रही हूँ, लोगों की बातें सुन पा रही हूँ. Thank you, my ears. Thank you so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Think about your brain. Thank you, my brain. You don't know how many messages my brain is giving to me, to all my body parts. आज मेरे दिमाग में जो कुछ भी है, इतनी नॉलेज, इतनी सोच, इतने थॉट्स, उन सबको याद रखने के लिए आपके कारण मैं इतना कुछ कर पा रही हूँ ऑन माय फोन, थ्रू कंप्यूटर्स. थैंक यू, माय ब्रेन. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू. Thank you to all my body parts, my lungs. Thank you. My kidney, my intestines. Thank you for working day and night perfectly for me. थैंक यू मेरे बॉडी के टॉक्सिन्स और वेस्ट को बाहर निकालने के लिए। मैं कितना जंक खा लेती हूँ बिना सोचे समझे, पर आप हमेशा काम करते हो और उससे एक्सक्रीट कर देते हो मेरे बॉडी से। थैंक यू सो मच। थैंक यू। नाउ कीप योर हैंड ऑन योर हार्ट। अपने हाथ को अपने हार्ट के ऊपर रखिए। थैंक यू माय हार्ट। Thank you for pumping blood to all parts of my body. You have always been beating for me, no matter what. मैं कहीं भी हूँ, मैं भागू, दौड़ू, बैठू, सोऊं, उठूं। मैं जब अपने मम्मा के वूम में थी, अब तब से मेरे लिए काम कर रहे हो, नॉन स्टॉप। मैंने तो कभी आप पे ध्यान नहीं दिया, but you have always taken care of me. Wow, I'm so grateful to you, my heart. Thank you so much. Thank you. Today I say thank you to all my body parts. When you feel ready, slowly you can open your eyes. Yes. So let me see if I can. Can you unmute yourself? And I would like you all to share कि कैसा लगा अपने body parts को gratitude देके।
बहुत फ्रेश फीलिंग आ रहा है।
Fresh?
It's good.
Light?
Yes, very light.
Yes.
Now we know
Very
that
light.
body parts are doing too much for us. Thought of all this before.
पहले ये सब सोचा नहीं था, अब समझ में आ रहा है कि कितना कुछ इन लोग कर रहे हैं हमारे लिए। रिंकू,
Emotional.
you are emotional. I could see you were wiping your tears. हो जाता है, हार्ट पे जब रखते हैं तो ज्यादा इमोशनल हो जाते हैं, जिनके बारे में सोचा ही नहीं। जब ब्रेक डाउन आते हैं एक्चुअली तब हम लोग ध्यान देते हैं। अब लगता है कि काश पहले कर लिया होता। वंडरफुल रिंकू। Anybody else would like to share their feelings? And this is how we pay gratitude. Just thank you बोलने से नहीं होगा. You think about that body part, how grateful, वो क्या काम कर रहा है हमारे लिए, उसके बारे में सोचिए, and then you be grateful. So now you can understand कैसे gratitude देना है अपने body parts को, and this is how in every sphere, in every area we pay gratitude with a lot of feelings. Be it with your family members, be with your body parts health, be with your money. This is how the feelings, अगर जहाँ feelings होगी वहाँ वो truly magic work करेगा. If the feelings are not there, it won't work. You know, बोलते हैं ना feeling के साथ होगा तभी. Why the bond हम लोग के अपने खुद के parents और बच्चों के साथ ही रह जाते हैं. वहाँ feelings ज़्यादा attach है. बाहर वाले लोग के साथ नहीं आते हैं क्योंकि feelings attach नहीं है. So feelings are very important. Apart from paying gratitude. Yes. सब एकदम शांत हो गए हैं, अभी लग रहा है कुछ सोचने का मन नहीं कर रहा है। You want to be in that
body को
zone.
accept कर रहे हैं how beautiful it is and wonders it does.
It does wonder. It does wonder. Every day we pay gratitude. और ये जब करो ना आप लोग, मतलब रूम को बंद करके करो, no disturbance, एकदम आराम से शांति से करो, तभी उसका इफेक्ट you can see, you can feel.
सवासन में जाने का मन कर रहा है अब तो।
कहाँ जाने का मन कर रहा है?
सवासन
शवासन में। हाँ, अब लग रहा है कि रिलैक्स हो गए हैं, ऐसे पूरा रिलैक्स यू फील, ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ योर बॉडी विल फील रिलैक्स, यू नो, एंड देन यू फील लाइट
एंड योगा प्रैक्टिस।
ओके, हाँ, डू दैट।
हाँ,
you can see the video and you can make your, you know, you को practice करा सकते हो।
नहीं, I do this.
अच्छा, you do this, very nice.
लास्ट में कराते हैं ना हम लोग सवासन में, तो ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी को रिलैक्स कराने के लिए।
हाँ, योगा में तो ये होता है, ये तो होता है। but you have to pay gratitude as well. You know, वो बोल रहे हैं और फिर खुद thank you नहीं बोल रहे हैं, तो it will not have any effect.
Right.
All right. Any other sharing or query? Oh, I can see my father. Thank you, Papa. Thank you for coming.
Thank you.
फाइनली तुम्हारी नजर पड़ी। नमस्ते अंकल। पायल बहुत अच्छा काम कर रही है, हम लोग के दिमाग खोल रही है।
चलिए, अच्छा है, सबके खोल रही है, मेरे भी खोल रही है वो।
Thank you, Papa.
I am also thankful to her.
Your blessings, Papa. Your blessings. Yes. So, any other queries or sharing? आज का practice सबको समझ में आ गया? We have to make a card.
Can I do a small request?
Yes, Anu.
Can you just record this meditation and send it separately? So it will be easy whenever we would like to replay it, we can play it and sit with it.
Okay, then I'll send the audio recording. Is it okay?
Yeah, just the audio recording. Yeah. So if it is there on WhatsApp, so anytime man hua, to we can just play and sit and, you know, go through with you.
Okay, sure, I'll send.
Thank you.
I'll
Thank
record
you.
and I'll send it to you.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, Anu. और कल के में कुछ query है? कल के practice में?
After this gift card, can we make it and place it behind our phone? Since I have the phone a lot of time in my hand.
Absolutely, you can. जहाँ पे आपको बहुत frequently आप देख पाओ, आप वहीं पे place
हाँ,
करो.
फोन के पीछे में place कर सकते हैं. So just need to turn the phone and see. At least वो दिख जाएगा. Can do that?
Yeah, you can do that. Wherever you can see often.
Okay.
The idea is to pay gratitude frequently, as frequently
Yeah,
we can.
yeah.
Right.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Vandana, you were asking something in query?
नहीं?
Okay, everything clear?
Yeah.
All right. Yeah, I can see Anu right now. Divya, I did not see Divya.
So she came in the beginning, I guess. Divya. Yeah.
हाँ,
She came in the
starting से
beginning.
she's there.
I was there. Yeah,
हाँ,
I'm there.
she was there. I saw her in the beginning.
He's here only.
Okay. Okay, Prathana, everyone done? So
Yes,
any other query or any sharing? कल आपने blessing लिखा और कल के exercise के बाद what were your feelings? People who have not shared can share now. You know, 3 लोगों को gratitude देना था close relationship में. When you were writing, you can take another 3 today. Tomorrow another 3 maybe. आप change कर सकते हो. वैसे भी gratitude pay कर सकते हो.
अब ऐसा हो गया कि जितना gratitude जितने लोगों को दो ना उतना कम पड़ जाता है. इतने relations है, actually इतने relations है, सबको gratitude. Whatever we are doing, even the environment where we are staying, everything needs gratitude. I mean that's the
अपने health को, अपने chauffeur को, you know, some way or the other आप सबको दे सकते हो.
And only humankind can do this.
हम लोग के पास ये है. हाँ, yes Anu.
We are doing the gratitude list. So in that also we can give gratitude to somebody whom we want, or we should do this separately. Like 3 people have done.
ये वाला
Who are
exercise
closest to me.
separate है. हाँ, this is separate with photograph. और वो 10 blessings daily का, that is different. There you don't need photograph. It's like daily paying 10 gratitude.
Yeah, so in that gratitude also we can give gratitude to whomever we want to.
हाँ, जैसे मैंने share किया, मेरे first gratitude is always for my parents. You know, मैं वो तो fix है मेरा.
Okay.
इसके बाद you can continue, you can change also.
Okay.
So that's how it is. So सबको अब सब clear है. Magic rock, please do it at night. Do not forget. Last thing, वो subconscious mind का बहुत important है, no? That's why it should be the last thing. उसके बाद no mobile phone, nothing. That should be the last thing. आप उसको लेकर सो भी सकते हो. आपको लग रहा है उठ के रखना पड़ेगा तो आप पिल्लो के नीचे भी रख सकते हो. But do not get up after that. Just go up to sleep. You know, next day it will help you. You will get up with that gratitude only. Chalo then, shall we call it off today?
Second, Payal.
And if there is still any other query, then you can always call me or, you know, WhatsApp me. I'll help you with it.
1 second.
हाँ माधुरी बोलो. I can't. हाँ?
Dream list बनाना है ना जो health का, तो उसमें what points we can write? Like, can you explain it little? हेल्थ का, आज जैसे अपने हेल्थ पढ़े थे ना,
हाँ, तो उसमें तुम जैसे अगर मेरा बाल का है, थैंक यू फॉर माई लॉन्ग ब्लैक लस्ट्रस हेयर, वैसे बना लो। थैंक यू फॉर द, कोई आइडियल वेट है तो खाली वेट रिड्यूस इज अ नेगेटिव वर्ड, यू कैन नॉट यूज, उसमें कोई भी नेगेटिव वर्ड यूज। तो जैसे अगर आइडियल वेट है मेरा 55, थैंक यू फॉर माई आइडियल वेट टू बी 55।
ओके,
पूरा मतलब एकदम जो आपको चाहिए आप डायरेक्ट वो ही लिखोगे।
ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ द बॉडी का भी लिख सकते हैं क्या उसमें?
हाँ, जिसमें आपको लिखना है।
ड्रीम जैसे,
हाँ, जैसे मेरे को नीज का रहता है तो थैंक यू फॉर माई स्ट्रॉन्ग नीज which helps me to run, to climb stairs, to fold and sit on the floor for a long time। मुझे पूरा डिटेल में लिखना, ये नहीं कि थैंक यू मेरा हो जाए अच्छा वो मत लिखना। As if you have already got it, you have to write in that way।
okay, present tense में पूरा,
सब present tense में, as if you have already accomplished।
perfect present continuous कुछ भी हो सकता है ना?
नहीं, going to be ऐसा मत लिखना, फिर वो going to be हो जाएगा।
अच्छा, is
have already received,
it has to be present, as if you have already received it in
you
that
have already received, you are already enjoying that, you have to write in that way। okay, this dream list has to be very clear, कैसे लिखना है। Sweetie, I think we'll talk over the phone, you missed the first 2 class ना, इसलिए clear नहीं होगा, I'll explain you over the phone।
no, I took both the classes, first two
Sweetie
okay,
Sweetie joined later, 2 days later।
Sweetie can hear the link, you send her the link also na, she can hear it on YouTube, that will be better. If she has any questions she'll come back to you।
that I've done, but again I'll speak to her also। अगर किसी को भी और भी कोई query है, can always WhatsApp me or call me anytime। पर ये लिखना बहुत important है। See, इसमें बोलते हैं
ना, वो मूवी देख लो ना, Secret। See the movie Secret, she has sent the link।
I sent her separately also। और मतलब your word create your world, मतलब हम लोग अपनी destiny खुद लिखते हैं। We are the, please have you mute yourself, very प्रार्थना, mute yourself please। So we are the creator of our own life, कोई और creator नहीं है। जो हम लोग बोलते हैं वही हमारे साथ होता है, आज नहीं, कल नहीं, परसों नहीं, तरसों नहीं, in later years। So we have to be very particular the way we speak। अब से आज से जब हम लोग बोलेंगे तो कोई भी नेगेटिव थॉट्स नहीं आने चाहिए। 1 कंप्लेंट के पीछे 10 ग्रेटिट्यूड देना पड़ता है। आप किसी के लिए 1 कंप्लेंट किए 10, आप सोचो आप 2 कंप्लेंट किए तो आपको 20 देना पड़ेगा, 3 कंप्लेंट 30। तो इससे अच्छा है डू नॉट कंप्लेन, स्टॉप। जितना कंप्लेन करोगे तो बोला जा अब तो 10, एक और करे जा अब तो 20। तो बेटर नॉट कंप्लेन, दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स। अगर ये सोचेंगे ना 10 देना है तो अपने आप ही कंप्लेन करना बंद कर देंगे। Right? So we have to, our thoughts create our words and our words create everything around, like जो हम लोग receive कर रहे हैं। So we have to be very particular of what we speak। कुछ भी गलत बात नहीं बोलनी है। I भी तो immediately shift your mood, say whatever, you start paying gratitude towards that person or thing। 10 gratitude देना and let it go out, क्योंकि natural initially आएगा, मेरे अब में अभी भी आ जाता है। So that's okay, that's part of life। So everything clear? So let's continue our journey with positivity and let me see like how many magics you see in your life, and I wish magic wand and magic dust on you people, बहुत magics आप लोग के life में हो। So let's continue।
Thank you so much।
Thank you for the session।
Thank you।
Thank you Shweta for reading।
Thank you Payal।
Thank you।
See you tomorrow।
Thank you so much। Yeah।
Payal, we gonna pray or
Thank you
not?
Payal।
Oh yes, we can do। Yeah, please fold your hands, close your eyes, let's pay our gratitude to whoever you want to। Thank you my papa for always supporting me।
Thank you।
Okay,
have a great day everybody, thank you so much।
Okay,
have a
thank
magical
you।
day and please practice। Thank you।
Yes,
Bye-bye।
thank you, bye।
Thank you Shweta for reminding। Thank you।
Bye।